How to remove or disable restricted mode on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to remove or disable restricted mode on TikTok. The first thing you need to do is open or launch the TikTok app on your device, as shown here. Once the app opens, go ahead and tap on the profile icon, which appears at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will now land on the profile section of your account. From here, look at the top right corner and tap on the menu option represented by 3 lines. A menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen, and from the options that appear, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will open the Settings and Privacy page where you can manage all the key features of TikTok. On this page, scroll down and look for the section named Content Preferences and tap on it. Inside this section, you will find different tools related to controlling the type of content you want to see on TikTok. Among the options listed, tap on the one named Restricted Mode. By default, in this tutorial, Restricted Mode is currently enabled, and that is why you are not able to view certain videos. To fix this, go ahead and tap here, Turn Off. Depending on your account, TikTok may ask you to enter a passcode to confirm turning it off. Once you do that successfully, restricted mode will be disabled instantly, and you will now be able to access the full range of TikTok content without limitations. This is especially useful if you accidentally enabled the feature earlier or if your account has restrictions you no longer need. The process is that simple, and once you turn it off, you don't need to repeat it unless you want to enable the feature again in the future. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to remove or disable restricted mode on TikTok.